everybody, and Leslie here with a tutorial for Rocking Wagon Wheel. This is a beginner dance, 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags or restarts, choreographed by Jamie Marshall, and the music is Wagon Wheel by Darius Rucker. Here we go. We are going to step out on the diagonal forward with the right leg, take the left behind, step forward on the right again, and then scuff. We're going to repeat to the left, step diagonal, right behind, step diagonal, scuff. And those are called lock steps. There you go. Step behind, step, scuff, step behind, step, scuff. And counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next set of 8 counts, we're going to do a jazz box to turn to 3 o'clock, but we're going to do it with toe struts. So we're going to cross the right leg over, ball, heel. Then we're going to go diagonally back, which will give us a little bit of a turn, toe, heel. Take that right leg to the side, toe, heel, and the left leg together, toe, heel. Let me just face you and do it. We go toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. So those are 8 counts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put those 2 steps together, 16 counts. And step behind, step, scuff, step behind, step, scuff, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. And we're halfway through the dance. Woo-hoo! Now we're going to do mambos. Mambo is basically a rock, recover, and bring that foot in. And then another one to the left, rock, recover, bring it in. Let me show you from the front. Rock, recover to the side with the right foot, bring it in. Rock, recover to the left side, bring it in. And that's called a mambo. Hey, mambo, mambo Italiano. Oh, stop it down. So we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From the top, lock step, step behind, step, scuff, step behind, step, scuff, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. Rock, recover, step, rock, recover, step, and then we're going to finish it off with 2 rocking chairs. Right foot forward, step on it, replace the left in its place, rock back on the right and replace the left. So it goes rocking chair. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top, here we go. We have step behind, step, scuff, step behind, step, scuff, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. Mambo to the right, mambo to the left, rocking chair. That's the dance. Start from the top. Facing 3 o'clock we do step behind, step, scuff, step behind, step, scuff, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. Mambo and lift and replace, rocking chair twice. From the top, step behind, step, scuff, step behind, step, scuff, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. Mambo to the right side, mambo to the left side, rocking chair, 4th wall, lock it, forward scuff, lock it, forward scuff, jazz box with your toe struts, a mambo to the right, a mambo to the left, a rocking chair twice. There we go. That's it. So you can press the little cog, rewind it, slow it down, and then look below. You'll see the link that I've put to the demo with the music, so you can do it with the demo. Have fun with it. Please like, subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers. Haven't done it yet, but I'm almost there. So have a good evening. Bye!